In this lesson, we're going to be creating a script which is going to allow us to play Hangman. So it's going to look like this. If we tap on run, we're going to get a prompt in our console that asks for our name. Here I'm going to enter Federico because that is my name. And it's going to say, welcome to Hangman Federico. Now we have a word to guess, and we can guess by entering a letter. I'm going to put B, and since that was wrong, it's going to say we have 2 tries remaining. Then I'm going to try S, and it's going to place it there if there is an S, of course. If there's no S, it's going to say we have another wrong guess. So we can say, for example, Z, it's going to say, sorry, that was wrong, 1 try remaining. Now, if we tap in something such as E and we put C,